Yes, now we're in that part where you see my face and you hear me talking. The other day, I wanted to get inspired by the plants, so I decided, well, I always go there at Piazza Vittorio Emanuele, but this time I just wanted to learn something from the plants, like their names, their characteristics. So it was a different experience. Like, I didn't just walk into the park, I didn't just look at the flowers. I was like a kind of a researcher, you know, looking at them, learning from them, and I think it's something I should do with everything, really. This is the garden situation, very messy. That day was very much like a random decisions day. I decided to go to this church to see this sculpture, La Luce, of Michelangelo. It was like a platonic encounter. Actually, my friend told me about this, so I just randomly decided to visit it. Outside, it was very cool too, with a beautiful view. Then after it, I decided to go to this hotel where a person that I know works in, and I just needed to do some clips because you see it, like, it feels like Rome, really. Sugar. Hello. I already know that the why is this light like this. Okay, I already know that the first thing I'll notice are the sunglasses. They're dirty, I know. Also, I don't love the inquadratura. I just don't love anything about it, and I also seem blind. But who cares? I'm here to put highlight on 5 brands that I just love because I met the owners, I met the creators behind them. So I think that when there's a human connection, everything is great when there's human connection. So the first brand is Spaghetti Apocalypse. It's this amazing woman who one day during the pandemic decided, what would I do if this was my last day? The answer was she would eat a classic tomato sauce spaghetti bowl. Amazing. You can feel it throughout the whole brand that there's some funkiness, truthfulness behind it. It's not just something that she made up like that. I love the colors she uses. Well, you need to meet her. Then we have Elvis Leaves. Oh my god, there are 2 guy friends who just decided one day to open this store, and the brand is on point. The branding, it's cohesive, it's unique, it's funny. You can see that there's a storyline behind it, which is the fact that they're from Rome. They're 2 friends just enjoying life, being cool. So cool, man. Then we have, oh, this guy, he's an artist whose job is totally different from what he does. His postcards are simple yet strong. There's some fears in it. The poems and the representation that he does of, I don't know, his emotions of him are very effective because I could relate to them in a strange way. The other brand I'll talk about is this one. I really can't remember the name, and it's these literal genius who uses old mediums like CDs, videocassette, videoregistratori, those stuff, and he uses real songs and real movies existing, but he reinterpreted them. It's difficult to explain, just check him out. Check all of them out. Last one is, I think that's all.